First, you write the differential equation in dy by dx. Now write dy upon dx is equal to x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x. Yes. This first you write the dy by dx of any differential equation be write in a homogeneous. First we write the differential equation in the dy by dx x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x y and y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x into x. This differential equation can be written in the fxy. This is the function of a differential equation, and fxy can be written as x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x into y, that is y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x into x. So therefore, if we satisfy the given differential equation is a homogeneous, then we substitute x as the lambda x and y is the lambda y. So we write f lambda x and lambda y is equal to the lambda x cos lambda y upon lambda x plus lambda y sin lambda y upon lambda x into lambda y sin lambda y upon lambda x minus lambda x cos lambda y upon lambda x into lambda x is equal to f lambda x lambda y equal to the lambda power 0 fxy. This is a homogeneous function. Now the homogeneous function, to solve the differential equation, if we put y is equal to vx, then y is equal to vx, we differentiate the given function with respect to the x, and y is equal to vx and dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So the value of dy by dx, substitute value of dy by dx, substitute into the v plus x dv by dx. Now we can write and put v plus x dv by dx is equal to x cos v plus vx sin v into vx upon vx sin v minus x cos v into x. taken x as a common, and x square cos v plus v sin v into v upon x v sin v minus cos v x square, and x square cancel, that's equal to cos v plus v sin v upon v sin v minus cos v into v. So v plus x dv by dx. Now x dv by dx is equal to v cos v minus plus v square sin v upon v sin v minus cos v minus v, and taken LCM as v cos v plus v square sin v minus v square sin v minus v cos v upon v sin v minus cos v. Now x dv by dx, v cos v plus v square sin v upon v sin v minus cos v minus v. Now taken the LCM to find v cos v plus v square sin v minus v square sin v plus v cos v and v sin v minus v cos v. So the v sin square, v square sin v and v square sin v would be cancelled. Now the value of 2 cos v upon v sin v minus cos v. After that, we use the variable and separable. The variable x and the variable v we write in the both way. So the v sin v minus cos v upon 2 cos v 2v cos v dv and dx upon x. After the integration, it can be written as v sin v minus cos v upon 2v cos v dv equal to dx by x. Now we integrate. Integral v sin v upon 2v cos v minus cos dv and cos v upon 2v cos v dv equal to dx upon x 1 upon 2 tan v dv minus 1 upon 2 1 upon v dv equal to dx upon x